Nika Eve Lado. Maayong gabi, Nika.
Maayong gabi, sir.
Now, I love all of the butterflies on your dress tonight. Are they alive?
No, they're not.
Why? What's the inspiration behind the butterflies?
Well, actually, my whole gown has an inspiration. The color is inspired of the sunsets and sunrise of Vice City. And also, the butterflies is from our environment in Vice. Since we are known to be the sugar capital of Negros Oriental, so we have a lot of butterflies around us.
Wow, so this gown truly is an inspired piece of, mastercraft as well. So, Nika, are you ready for your question? You have 3 questions left. Please pick your question. Here's your question. A number of people say that pageants such as this exploit women. What is your opinion on this assertion? Again, a number of people say that pageants such as this exploit women. What is your opinion on this assertion?
Maayong gabi, Ibais. For someone who has been in the pageant industry for quite some time, I have been actually joining pageants ever since I was 13 years old. And that is very young for my age that time. But I will never regret joining pageants because it built me who I am today. It made me who I am today. And I will always be thankful to my handler who processed and molded me for who I am today. And so to all the ladies out there, I hope that I am an inspiration standing on this very stage to be confident, to be who you are, and to embrace your flaws. Because at the end of the day, we are women. In Tagalog, babae tayo at hindi babae lang. Thank you and good evening, guys.
What a way to answer that question. Thank you so much. Candidate number 8, Nika Eve Lado.